What's up, everybody? Welcome to Gray Rabbit Finance. I'm your host, Tyler, and today I'm going to be updating the Ichimoku technical analysis for the month of June 2024 for US oil. Let's hop in. Okay, US oil here on the monthly chart. And so recently we had price supported here on the Senko Span B level, which is this thick white line that's flat here. And right now we have, on the monthly chart, we have 2 out of the 3 bearish Sanyoku Gyokoden signals, which are the bearish Ichimoku trend signals. So we have here a death cross, and we also have the Chico span now below the candles. And so if we break and close below this flat white line here, the thick white line, that's going to be a break of the Senko span B, and that will be our third confirmation, confirming a bearish trend possibly starting. But I'm not under the impression that that's going to happen, and so I'm going to show you a little more detail on the weekly chart. But I'm expecting, since we have some divergence here, let's turn on my drawings. So guys, I'm expecting this to move to the upside and be an N wave. So this would be a major N wave like this, boom, boom. And basically why I think that, at least right now on the weekly chart, this is just a rangy market. So it is a neutral market, and we don't know yet. We're going to need to wait for price to break this $94.99 level. And if this support level here, which is $63.73, breaks, then that's going to invalidate this idea. But as you can see, it looks like we have some divergence, and it looks like price is getting supported right now. And so if I draw in a Fibonacci retracement from these levels, you can see that price here is getting supported on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, if we can have this, if this week's candle can hold on this level, that could confirm an N wave up. So if we get this N wave up, that's going to turn the Kumo cloud here. Right now we have a bearish Kumo cloud, but if we get an N wave back up, that's going to twist this back bullish, and we're going to get some confirmation that we're heading in the bullish direction. Now, right now, this is just a ranging market, so it's neutral. We don't really have that evidence yet. So like I said, we're going to need to wait for a close above this resistance, but I'm expecting this to happen. And once this does happen, I'm going to be targeting up here, and this is going to be the 0.618, and this is based off of this giant N wave here. So from this bottom here to this top to this retracement, that's giving us our next levels up on this market. And so from a very conservative standpoint, this is the very first target level here, which is the 0.618, and that's $141.95 per barrel of oil. And this could be sometime next summer. I have this time cycle reaching around next summer, June 2025. And then just one other thing of evidence, guys. We showed this in another video. I think it was for the S&P 500. So check that out if you want to see that video. But basically, this is the M2. This is the M2 money supply on the monthly chart, and you can see that on this gray rabbit gone line, which is our indicator here, that's the thick blue line and then the thick orange line. It's now turned blue again, which is meaning that it's bullish. So M2 supply is heading up again, which could mean that we're going to be getting more money supply, and with more money supply, it's going to create more inflation. And with more inflation, it's going to inflate commodities prices and also equities prices. So this turning up is, for me, a bullish indicator for broad commodities markets. And so that's why I have a bias to the bullish side on this pair right now. So let me know what you guys think. You think oil is heading higher? You think it's heading lower? What about inflation? Has the Fed tamed inflation? What do you think? We just saw the European Central Bank is cutting rates, and we also saw the Bank of Canada is also cutting interest rates. And so I think that's going to create a lot of capital flow from these markets into the US equities markets, and just into the broad US markets in general, as inflation gets worse in the European Union and also in Canada. So I think that's going to help strengthen the dollar, and it's also going to help strengthen the US markets. So guys, we just two major announcements. We just made a new website here, grayrabbitfinance.com. And if you guys want to come and sign up for my free trading strategy, feel free to do so. All you have to do is come right here and enter in, and it sends you a link to our Discord community. And guys, I just want to bring this to your attention. So on our Discord community, One, you can get a copy of our free trading strategy, but you can also enter to win one of these limited edition Japanese-inspired manga G-Shock watches. These all have a value of over $300, and it's a really cool watch to add to your collection. So if you're interested, sign up. Feel free to join the free membership of the Discord community, and we hope to see you there. And guys, like always, thanks again for liking and subscribing. It really helps me and my family. And so until next month, guys, peace.